How to link Amazon Associates to Payoneer. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser and then move into the site amazonassociates.com. It will land you on the official page of Amazon Associates. Once you are in here, make sure that you are logged into a specific account. Click on your account at the top right. Head over to Account Settings. Move into Change Payment Method. And then click on Bank Account. Once again click on Add New Bank Account. This interface will pop up. You have to enter the detailed information of your Payoneer. In order to do so, first of all head over to your site payoneer.com and make sure you are logged into a specific account. Once you are in here, tap on this three dot and then click on Receiving Accounts. It will lead you to this interface. All the details of your Payoneer account will be visible to you. First of all, you need to copy all of those information and then go back to your previous page. Fill up all of the information of your Payoneer account. Enter the account holder's name, account number, bank name, your bank currency, account type, and also enter the routing number. Once you have entered, tap on Save Changes and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can link Amazon Associates to Payoneer. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.